Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All educational videos and tutorials. In today's video we are going to import the template tutorial assets which we have downloaded in previous video from GameMaker official marketplace. So this is second video in GameMaker TowerDefense template tutorial series, and in previous one we have downloaded this template asset. One thing which I forgot to tell you, and it's very important, I think I forgot to tell you that you have to be logged in this marketplace, so you have to register, and then you can download or buy stuff and assets from marketplace. Otherwise they will ask you for a login, same as with GameMaker. I think it's the same registration when you register to use GameMaker. Same login will be used for marketplace. Okay, so let's say you have downloaded this GML visual and you want to now use it in GameMaker. You have to import it, and as this image says, you don't have to watch this video, there is everything what is needed in this image here. Just go to tools, import local package, and find the file you have downloaded from marketplace. It's simple as that. Again, tools, import local package, and click on the Towers vs Monsters template GML visual file which you have downloaded here. I think it's F08YYMPS for visual, and 562 for GML code. So we are going to use GML visual, and let's see that in action, how it goes. So first idea would probably be to open project, import project, or something like that, but I have explained that in some of previous videos. There are lots of different game maker extensions and files you can import, open, or create in GameMaker. It's kind of confusing, and there are different ways to do it. For this file extension YYMPS, you go to tools, import local package, and then it will open the file browser, or the place which is default by GameMaker Studio. I think you can also change this in preferences, but in short it will be by default some kind of folder which is pre-designed for this. In my case it's documents in library documents, and I have some games there, software apps and stuff like that. By default I do not put file for GameMaker there, but GameMaker says okay, I will first look there. So if you have some of your files in desktop, CD, or whatever place you put your files, find them there. You can navigate by clicking on these shortcut buttons here. It's always the same in Windows. Just what I want to say, just find the file you have downloaded. In my case I have cut and paste here just to be easier, so here it is in my documents library. In your case it's going to be somewhere else. Now you have to click on it. So we need this file. It's very long, strange file, but I think F08YYMPS is for GML visual, and you can see what kind of extensions you can open with this import local package: YYMPS, YYMP, GMEZ files and stuff like that. Okay, so let's finally click on open, and we should be prompted to some kind of import. Yeah, there was some kind of status bar here on my top right which says okay, I'm trying to import it, and then I have option to actually I don't have option to uncheck what do I want. I need to import it all, but on the left side is the package, and I'm going to add all of those from the left side into my right side into my project import, and now I'm prompted, I'm given option to call this project and to save it again in some other different location. Again, don't be confused if these locations are not same as on your computer. They don't have to be. You can save this project on your desktop. Just click here, desktop, or on my C, volume Z, whatever volume I use or have on my computer, and documents, music, whatever. So it's the point here is just to be aware where do you from which file you import it and where do you save it, where do you create the folder for it. So I'm going to call it T for tower, D for defense, T for template, underscore visual, yeah, visual. Yeah, that's it. I think that's it. Save, and let me wait for a couple of I hope seconds, not minutes, and that's it. Maybe it's not going to open it right away. Yeah, it's going. Great. So let's see just if it works, and that's it for this video. In next video we are going to test it. It's still trying to import it because I think it's 44 megabytes big, so it's not very big if you compare it to Unity and Unreal games. Those by default those games start with the large files mostly, but for GameMaker this is kind of big game, and because you can actually make really small games like a couple of megabytes, and that's it. Okay, so I have some warning here. Project directory modified, changes detected in project. Would you like to reload the resources as save? Save will only update the rest. I will try with reload, but yeah, lots of stuff here. I'm not sure why this error. I think I didn't have this error year ago. Anywhere, here it is. Let me try to find some kind of sprite just to open it to see if it works. Frankenstein zombie. Zombie. Yeah, it works. Okay, so far so good. You can test the game already. I will do that in next video. So this was second step in our Towers vs Monsters GML template tutorial from GameMaker. The first one was to download it. You need to have a registered account for that and go to GameMaker Marketplace, download it. Then the second step was to import it, and you do that by clicking on tools, import local package. It's simple as that. That's it for this video. See you in next one. Bye for now.